You think that just because school has started that there's not a lot of fun things to do on the weekends that aren't school related. But there are. Lisa Richardson joining us beginning Thursday night, and you probably won't see this in time to be involved in it, but we want you to be involved with the organization. What?
Yes, exactly. Tunnels for Towers. It's a national organization that supports first responders and military veterans, and there's a local chapter, and the website is
Bluffton at T2T.org.
It's kind of a tongue twister.
It is a little.
Yes, so as you mentioned, it's actually bowling. It's Thursday night, so it's going to be kind of when this is airing. But if you missed that, there's so many other things that they do throughout the year. So if you go to their website or Facebook page, you can find other ways to support them throughout the year.
Bluffton at T2T.org. All right, Friday night, all kinds of things to do.
Friday night.
Besides high school football. And
we're going to talk about that in a second.
Talk about that in a minute,
yes, Lowcountry Community Church is always doing a lot of outreach. So they're having a big summer, kind of end of summer splash, and this is fun because it's a family fun night, and this usually the kids are free, adults pay, but it's the opposite. So $10 per kid and free for grandparents and parents, but it's a night of water slides, foam pits, all kind of things, hot dog dinner, and great worship too. So outside of their big lawn area, Lowcountry Community Church.
Even if you're here for the weekend or for just the next week, you're certainly invited.
Yeah, absolutely. That's what they want everybody to come.
Plenty more going on.
Plenty more going on. Friday night as well. Another good organization, kind of similar to the other one we mentioned, is OPFOB, which they support the military veterans and the local chapter there. Palmetto Axes. Have you ever been there, Bob?
No.
It's really kind of fun. If you want to take a throw at your luck there at the Target, they're doing again, open to anyone that wants to come support. It's a little fellowship night, but it's a fun thing to do that's different around here. And that's at Palmetto Axes, which is located on Bluffton Parkway.
Okay, anybody I know would want to throw the axe at me, so that there would be issues. One other fun thing fun thing if you're for your school age kids maybe that are thinking science and technology. This
that's actually fun. Saturday
okay.
Over at the Maritime place, which is kind of over the bridge, going over the bridge of Port Royal. It's called STEAM, STEAM, which stands for Science, Technology, and Math, and so forth. It's a neat interactive family event where you can go and learn things, and that's a really neat place too. Have you ever been there, Bob?
Yes, at the Maritime Museum. It's right there on Highway 170 as you just about get ready to go across the bridges.
And that's free to do. But also Friday all day at the Tanger outlets, back to school theme. They're still collecting supplies for the kids, and this is a kind of a collaboration between Tanger outlets, Mimi's Closet, and Operation Backpack.
2 weeks ago, we all got to go out to the outlets and buy stuff for school without taxes. This is your chance to give back a little bit, and they'll do the collecting, and then that's terrific. And it's at both Tanger outlets?
Yes, personal items as well, and people don't think, they think you need them just when you start school, but these are needs all year round.
Absolutely.
Personal items like toothpaste, toothbrushes, and hygiene are really important for school kids too, and that's a big need. So
Friday and Saturday?
And Saturday, it's just Friday.
That's just Friday.
Yeah, it's just Friday.
All right.
Now,
Saturday.
If you've been here a long time like we have, you probably know the band Target.
Sure.
Can you believe they have been playing for 50 years?
I don't believe
that
makes us old.
And they've been playing local favorites favorites for 50 years of favorite hits in our local area, and they're keeping on going. But wanted to draw attention to their 50th anniversary, so a lot of special events. They're playing Kind of Blue, which is Dunnigan's Alley. So kind of a neat way to help them
they're doing
out
that this weekend, but my guess is with that gang, the 50th anniversary is going to go on all year.
Yeah, and they have a Facebook page. You can find all the different dates, but that's worthy of mention. And also another iconic place is, of course, who hasn't been to South Beach? Salty Dog. And if you haven't lately, you've not seen the total demolition that was done earlier in the year, and they're rebuilding it. But there's a kind of a neat thing Saturday night. It's a little juggling act, little family event. So neat time before summer's over to get over there and check it out.
Check it out, before it's all, because it'll be back up and going maybe this fall and into the winter, and you get a sneak peek at all that. Great stuff.
Yeah.
Again, high school football, the SCISA schools, the private schools begin this weekend. Our first game is not until the Friday after Labor Day, but then we're going to be weeks and weeks and weeks
Yeah,
consecutively
and
of great high school football.
we are going to be broadcasting live at the event,
Yeah.
at the games this year, which is fantastic. So shout out to our production team and JP for that one.
Yeah, won't be just all of that. Great stuff. Thank you
All
so
right,
much,
thanks,
Lisa.
Bob.
All right, we've set you up for the weekend. We thank you for joining us for the last 30 minutes. If you missed anything at all, we'll be back in 90 minutes.